Hey guys, so today I am so excited to be filming this cloth and paper subscription box that I got in the mail a couple of days ago. I wasn't able to film right away because of just basically being busy and stuff. So yes, I thought I would film today and show you guys what was included in this month's box. This is July. I love it. Can't wait to see what is inside. So the first thing that you do see here when you open up the box, it says what's included in this month's box is the dashboards, inserts, pouch, journaling cards, travel, label, stickers, spotlight, page flags, circle, sticky notes. Full disclosure, I did open this box just because I started filming before and I wasn't able to finish filming the video. So if some things are open already, that's why. It's because I already opened and filmed kind of half the video and I couldn't finish it. So we got a packing list, daily itinerary, 2021 horizontal, September weekly. Can you believe it's like already September? Or it's not September, it's July. But like before you know it, it's September and summer is gone, which I would not mind that at all. So these are the journaling cards, the handwritten dashboard, the travel dashboard, reusable pouch, travel label, stickers, spotlight, page flags, circles, sticky notes app. So as always, love the wrapping paper. And the first thing that I do see in here, well, I guess I'll just grab this. This is the daily itinerary, and we got AM to PM, things to do, weather, meals, and a note section. So I am literally obsessed with this insert. I was actually looking for something very similar to this, just because I really wanted kind of like a to-do section that I can check off, a meal section, and then also a note section to put like my daily things that I'm grateful for, and also like an inspirational note. I think that'd be really cute. So yeah, can't wait to use this. And I see in here, it's this beautiful handwritten dashboard. It says, I saw that my life was a vast, glowing, empty page and I could do anything I wanted. So love that. Look how cute this is on top of this. Oh, so cute. Love that. This looks like this is the travel dashboard. So it says traveling is an exhilarating experience. I think this month's theme is travel. So love that. Next thing that I do see in here are the packing slips. You have essential clothing, shoes, technology, toiletries. So cute. Love this. Not going on a vacation anytime soon, but you could use it for like other stuff as well, and just save it for travel if you would like. This is the September horizontal weekly inserts, and I did actually, okay. So this is what this looks like. Let's see, should I open this up? So when you first open it up, this is pretty much standard. I think they said they're going to include one for the rest of the year. So this is what that looks like. Oh, I do get the HP mini size. Don't remember if I mentioned that already or not. And these are the cloth and paper sticky notes. You got Angora, Mojito, and Cypress. Love that. We got these page flags, spotlight. What are these called? Page flags. Very cute. Love that. You got some travel stickers. So cute. You got the reusable pouch. So cute and aesthetic. And then the last thing in here are the journaling cards. So let's see what journaling cards are included in this month's box. You got September. September. This one that says, to create something exceptional, your mind must be focused on the smallest detail. Love that. And then also this one. So cute. Okay, so that's pretty much everything that's included in this month's box. We got the journaling cards, the reusable super cute pouch, the travel stickers, the spotlight page flags, the circle sticky note set, the September, what is it called? The September weekly insert. You got the packing list, the travel dashboard, this handwritten vellum dashboard, and this is probably my most favorite item in this box, which is the daily itinerary. I definitely think I'm going to be ordering more of these. I think they put stuff in the box that's like hasn't hit the store yet. So if you do see something in here, definitely be on the lookout for the store in the future. Because I think it first previews in the box and then they restock on their website. At least that's how it's been so far. So yeah, so this is the daily itinerary again. And I do get the HP mini size. You can customize to pretty much any planner size you want, which is great. Great customer service. $38 a month. It's really awesome. Definitely adds up in terms of like everything that you get. I think like their dashboards alone are like, I want to say like $5 to $7 that I've seen. So definitely like you get a ton of those, and then like their inserts are like around, I guess, 10 a piece or so. So it definitely adds up in terms of the value that you get. So yeah, great box. Highly recommend. Going to be subscribed at least for the near future. So that's pretty much everything that's included in this month's box. Let me know if you are subscribed to the box below. I'd just be curious. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos and for more content. And I will see you guys in the next one. Thank you guys so much for watching.